In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix invalid code on Roblox. Let's get started. The first fix is you can use the web version instead of the app, so launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in Roblox redeem code and search for it. Now navigate to this website, redeem Roblox gift card. Once you're in this page, type in your code and click on redeem. This might fix your issue. Now double check every character because letters and numbers can easily be confused. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the code because even one accidental space can trigger the invalid code error. A useful trick is taking a photo of the code on your phone and using text copy features to paste the code directly into the redemption box, which reduces typing mistakes. After pasting, still check carefully for extra spaces before submitting the code again. Another important thing is to remember that Roblox gift cards and promo codes can only be redeemed once. If the code has already been used, you will receive an error message saying the code is invalid or already redeemed. You should also make sure the gift card was properly activated at the store or online purchase location because inactive cards will not work until activation is completed. In some cases, gift cards purchased in another country may be region locked, meaning they can only be redeemed in certain regions or countries. If you have tried everything and the code still does not work, the next step is contacting Roblox support. Click on Settings, go to Help Center. Now here, type in promo code, redeem code, anything you want and search for it. Different articles will appear, navigate to any of the article. Once you're inside article, scroll down, you're gonna find the option of need more help, contact support here, click on that. Now you'll need to fill this form, type in the username, first name, email address, confirm it, then click on this drop down. Select the device in which you are having the issue, likewise select the help category as gift card and select the subcategory as gift card redeem. Now here, briefly explain about the issue that you are getting invalid code error while redeeming the code and send it. With that, Roblox support team will get back to you. And that's it. With these, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.